Next up, Mashroom's Yoichiro Hara will present Flashtouch. Yoichiro Hara, welcome to the stage.
Hello everyone, I'm Yoichiro from Mashroom. Today I'd like to introduce our product called VIR, which is Universal and Secure Authentication Platform for mobile payment at the storefront. So this is a solution for merchants and payment service providers. So our goal is to extremely lower the hurdle to implement the mobile payment at the merchant and also to maximize the number of the trace transactions. So as you know, the conventional plastic card-based payment requires the reader device at the storefront, and also it's connected to the merchant's network. So this installation is sometimes troublesome for setting up and also a heavy cost burden for the merchants. So now you can find some QR code or barcode-based payments at the store, and the code is generated every time it's dynamic generated, but it also requires the network for the merchant side. So what about NFC of Felica reader? And it's now you know about the Apple Pay and Android Pay. It also uses Felica NFC. And since a smartphone just does a card emulation, so it also requires a network connection at the merchant side. So moreover, it's a critical problem is the limitation of the device, smartphone device type. So now you know what the problem is. Every type of the current authentication method uses merchant-side network. So but we think this is the negative legacy of physical card authentication. So here's our solution. So our technology allows you to process the authentication using customer's smartphone network, and only the merchant have to do is place the auth device on the storefront. That's all. So with bidirectional dynamic data transmission between our auth device and customer's smartphone, we can provide a secure authentication for any type of smartphone. So we combine the visible light from the smartphone screen, it's the visible light signal sequence, and also the touch signal from the auth device. We generate artificially the touch signal from this device. So we combine two types of the signal transaction between two devices. And this is one of our patent pending data transmission technology. And our dynamic authentication framework with bidirectional data secure transmission is also a proprietary patent pending technology. So these are all technology selected as the Japanese big companies corporate accession program or Open Innovation Contest. We got some award up there. So with applying technology to mobile payment, we provide simple and intuitive user experience for both merchant and users. So just the merchant have to do is place an auth device at the storefront, and the user have to do is open your application and select the payment method and accept it. So let me show you a product demo now. So we distribute this device for the storefront and turn on the device and control with loading the device and set the amount of billing. So just it's simple, intuitive user experience for the merchant side. And the user side, open the application and select the payment method, credit card or debit card or Bitcoin or your own digital currency, any kind of it's like a payment method we can store inside and activate with the touch ID or PIN code. And this time, the staff is to place this device on the surface of the screen, and then after confirmation, you can store the receipt inside of your application. So after that, you can see the history of the payment, where and what amount did you pay, and yeah, this kind of it can connect to the PFM application, third party, I think. So this is our product demo. So okay, as you can see, our product delivers the clear benefits for the merchant and payment service providers. So it can expand your service to any type of the smartphone users and make your product secure with dynamic process, because transmission between two devices, every time, one time change, the unique, if you try to copy the signal, next time it's already expired. So it's hard to copy and clone. And also, since then, OS device has a simple mechanism, we can distribute this device for free. So the payments provider can distribute the payment, the OS device to the merchant, no cost requirements. And for merchant, also no requirement of the network setup, so just place it, that's all. And our business model is we provide authentication as a platform, so you can implement our solution for each transaction-based commission fee. And we provide both module and the SDK. We provide the module and the SDK delivered to the payment service provider is free. So we only provide SDK, and the module means like we don't design the cover of the device, just only we provide them inside the module for the transmission. So you can integrate to your own system. And our client is, the potential client is the bank and credit card or Bitcoin royalty program or digital currency operators. So with integrating this technology, you can easily distribute your mobile payment service to merchants and maximize the number of sales transactions. Thank you very much.